Yes, order, I'm going to call a guy.
Okay. Sina hiyo program, right? Kumano, I'm going at least chinguva sana moni, right? So, you know, the 2 minutes in here, I'll be quick. Kumano, next time, we're going to organize event here in Nrc Ndipo. Last time, we're going to go to Mbukira. Tupabitazaka. Mwene na rugunalibe. Nabezekwa naye kunyumba nali ndi Martse. Ndi Martse tivesikana. Matsana mana degree. Ndi ankada ndaulola mwene para lecture na yake soma dana nane ndi basa ndi mana degree kumalo ndi ndibe nazo ntchito. Ndivesesa? Ndine namvesera ndo ndifana ndukhala endeni, right? Ndina muzorozwa chani. Ine ndi degree. Iwe wakhola libe degree ndene ndize kusekerera anthu mawa zaona ngaluti ne nali bad influence na negative influence nde tsiku limenelo tinamenya matrix tamene naindumenya so matrix tamene yambwe tingine kunalibe pepe chili so kunalibe tamenya matrix matsena za musiya kunoko fast forward matsana maliza now many big man amazaya nkulet anasabangalifa kwa Wagawa politicians it they Wagawa banazendo no I'm not a politician, I'm here in my capacity as CEO head. Guess what? I'm here as a politician. Okay, I'm here as a politician. Commando, the good thing is when I was walking in, no send our politicians no can. I'll show you how no send my politicians. Because the issue kumala kunoge medu kulimbana naye as politicians immediately kulimbana naye kuti my politicians should fix the access to education. How is it an issue? Panobato dikozoma kajo chimono ma students in Nrc honorable Kambala, honorable Malunga pali na baba mina fees sana lipini pali ma students na baba akachoka baba they will have to worry about utaje jana access to access to education is a political issue. Tamfana read. Then look for access to education. The issue. Why do you see issue? The issue is the issue. Mazwa. Quality is right. Tumeserani. Did it 2 minutes in budget? You go fast. Then no. My first story, Dr. Kambala, he was able to go to college. Nyamadota mabanga fixes gayo. Kumuzeti. Kumata fika ku university kuchi. Ankada ndawo za renti. Ankada ndawo zoza kuja akagula banji. Ntawe mene ichai. Quality of education, need access to education. Ukankawa nzero kangokhoza umabita ku university. Right? Komano, ma politicians atu. Those who make decisions. Anapanga ma decisions oti system yatu inasi intano panova. You know, you have to worry about even my rentals. You have to worry about my fees. You have to worry about Zakuja. So, all of you are politicians, whether you like it or not. Shuka kabena tengwena no makula no kazakuja. Right? So, you see. So, are we politicians or we are not politicians? Zikuti kuza za dzigwe sio nje. Now, mindset change. quick one on mindset change. I don't have vast experience in business, in setting up and running successful businesses. Dr. Kambala, but I've got some experience in being a human being. I've got some experience in being a student. Now, it was Mudia gospel. Can I preach? Can I preach? Okay. But my key who are you? You know, who are you? Who are you? No, who are you? Okay. I didn't the internet in that phone. Who are we? Okay. I want. What is Wi-Fi? Dr. Wi-Fi. Okay. John 14:20. John 14:20. Someone should Google that verse. John 14:20. Google that verse. John 14:20. Give them the mic. Definition of who you are, and who Fredo is. Don't read. Yeah. Why is the verse there? John 14:20. John 14.
Okay. John 14 verse 20. Mm-hmm. On that day, you will.
Wait. I don't on that day. Which day is it? So on this day,
on this day, you will realize that I am in my Father.
One. I am where? In my Father. One. Two.
And you are in me.
He is in the Father, and we are in. You are in Him.
And I am in you.
Wait for a minute. Who are you? I have 2 minutes. Now, Chinaso, as you are going, as students, as youth, mindset change is not a theory on paper. Mindset change only works, and it can only be something you adopt in your mind. First and foremost, you know who you are. And in afraid or not define you, it's the Bible that is defining you. Serious? You believe in the Bible, yes? The Bible nama. Holiday. We believe in the Bible, right? Scripture. So, mindset change. Generation FM what money says. In a way, tunamenya be shift kusana ndi generation ya magolo atu. I'll show you how. Magolo atu mina makula. There were certain professions where monangatoti, this is the ladder of success. Ukapilo college, become a doctor, become a lawyer, become a nurse. Tamfana read. Ita generation ya ife. If you notice, kwa bezikoti tambobanga image, my professions they could not embrace kumefirubanga embrace it. For instance, my generation ya ife, you can be a musician, an artist, and still put food on your table. In our generation, as a lady, as a girl, you can be a fashion designer, even as a guy. Textile. These are professions that were not embraced in time manager, but because the fair mindset that is shifting towards progress, we are able to assume these professions, embrace them, and create new roles. Tamfana read. Now, ndifuna ningo kukairani ma theory awili. As you go on about your business in this life, one, know thyself. When you know thyself, you meet challenges. But the theory na agamadi hedge creeping theory. Hedge creeping theory matijani. Munaona ma hedge paka mpasa tono ngatiri ma hedge ama duliro razikala ini moza. Munaona Tima duliro razikala ini moza. The hedge creeping theory manina kuti mu society mwatu. Anyone who has got a different mentality, anyone who thinks differently, there's a hedge creeping theory at hand. Imamudula. Tamfana read? But if you see, and to say Jama Banga admired, Elon Musk and Indani, Osiaja, one way or the other, they went against the age creeping theory. Imene the masses think the same way. Pamazangu pezeka mozi waganiza mosiyana. They come up with an invention or an idea. Olopa mudzi. Pamatukhala na kodongo ganiza mosiyana. Ama bezeko tamathandiza muzose. Olopa family zimatheka. Titosere. 1, the age creeping theory. 2, scarcity mentality. You can Google these ones. More about it. There's a scarcity mentality. Ndukupanga share concept to you because I know you are academicians, you are intellectuals. So there's a theory about scarcity mentality. Scarcity mentality is very much different. You will life for my own ngati pizza. Pizza or slice and bread. Pizza, bese makanti ma pizza. Okay. Okay. Life matter go ngati bread. That is a bread na monabo, right? I'm a kind of a slice. I'm a slice, eh? Okay. Now, your life from my own ngati loaf ya bread kabena ma slice of pizza. Nzako akapeza opportunity, umona ngati slice ya chokapo. Nzako akapeza ntchito, umona ngati slice ya chokapo. So your approach to life, umona ngati zikuta. Tamvanare? So your mentality is that of poverty. Your mentality is that of lack. This is the scarcity mentality. Ambiri timapanga utilize, imatipanga drive. So a lot of poverty, a lot of hatred, a lot of jealousy. It's emanating from the scarcity mentality. So what is the opposite of the scarcity mentality? The abundance mentality. How do you look at the abundance mentality? Alipo baba anabezeka kuti mina matsuka mama amazaona ngati kuti ndizuki ndipite panja ndikapumire mpweya kuza kuthanzanga akazuka chakuma mpweya osoti namba zachitika bzomezi ali yeso matsuka ndi assurance so as long as ndatsuka there's enough oxygen for me, there's enough air for me, yet that's the way you should approach life. There's enough for everyone. So the mentality you can never be jealous. Komaliza. In Genesis, Abraham, God appeared to Abraham. Then God told him, "Goody, you should leave your father's land. You should leave your father's land to a land where I want to go and bless you." Now, on a story, I want you should individualize it. Leave your father's land. Go somewhere where I want to bless you. Abraham. Lord. According to the Bible, right? You verified. He left with Lord. Abraham was succeeding Lord is nice as mind Koma anchidwa Lord. There were fights. You know that story, right? Then guess what? Abraham calls Lord with my nephew. I think Tisiane. Titos. Tana Abraham na for Lord. Ukundu busankabuti. Lord anasankabuti. Kone kapastor. Titos right? Lord would be when even even abuse of alcohol, abuse of drugs, tabaret. Kuluna age majiro zoda onda genius wasema endea poko manu mwina anamisa maesefanya analizera. Zima chitika right? Ine ndi school ndikumbukira. Tinaenda zatwena kuti award majiro zoda genius. But anabanga graduate muna 3 years or after fail because amakonda kumamisa mapepa line age nthawe kuti muna siona lezera. Now, as far as your eyes can see, it's yours. In conclusion, as far as your eyes can see, it's yours. It's yours. Ambili, you think Kudimona Abraham, Monganamu Gabapiri, the Humusakuta say, as far as your eyes can see, it's yours. Tengulo Sata own and Duang. Yumba Sata own and Dian. No. Remember, it's what you see with your spiritual eyes. Yes. Let me share what I saw. In every 12 years, I saw myself as a successful artist. At the age of 12. does the Bible, what does God say as far as your eyes can see is what? You know, I saw it, and then after time, I might not be the best artist ever, but at least I've managed to be the best Fredo ever in that space. You get it? Eh? So as far as your eyes can see, it's yours. Then after that time, you know, I started seeing in my 20s, you know, I started seeing myself as a participant in development activities, a participant in politics. Then fast forward, I hold a position in one of the significant political parties in Malawi. I'm a director of youth. As far as your eyes can see, it's what? Then you know, say, as far as your eyes can see, it is what? Finally, it is what? You see yourself as a graduate, it's what?